first up, from Indianapolis, Indiana, weighing at 210 pounds, Public Enemy #1, Eric Dillinger. And up next, from Indianapolis, Indiana, weighing at 198 pounds, the evolution of execution, Nate Matthews. And finally, from Springfield, Illinois, weighing at 225 pounds, the New Wave Pro Champion, Mad Dog Connelly.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not ready for carnage, then you damn well best prepare yourself. Because this main event will define that time, and it is all for that beautiful belt right there that we call Big Leather, the New
Once again, if the
Wave
action comes your way, please get out of the way.
And it's begun, John Stone.
Oh, it's begun. It began a long time ago when you're talking about these three individuals.
Absolutely, the history in this match is palpable. Oh, and Mad Dog goes after the Ubermensch. Public Enemy right on top of him. But Dillinger backed into the ropes. Oh, tipped over.
Down to the floor.
And all three men onto the concrete. Unbelievable. This whole thing started 1 year ago to the day. An eye-click match between Dillinger and Matthews that saw blood spilled all over this very arena. And then Mad Dog Connelly unified.
Come in!
Oh, good Lord, what a dive by Dillinger onto Matthews and Connelly. Unbelievable. Mad Dog Connelly for the cover now. Mad Dog owns a victory over both Matthews and Dillinger. Oh, turn inside out. One fall wins it all as Dillinger tried to get
him down.
What a beautiful black hole slam by the Mad Dog. Connelly is insane. He's trying to keep his yard. Tip up and chopped down by the Ubermensch. And a leg lariat by the evolution of execution.
Wait a minute. Cover attempt there, but close to the ropes.
Unbelievable, but Mad Dog Connelly owns a victory over both Matthews and Dillinger. Dillinger at higher ground, and Matthews at no hesitation. What a horrendous clothesline by the Mad Dog.
Did you hear the thud on that connection?
I certainly did. The flesh bone collided, but a sling blade out of nowhere by the Ubermensch. High clothesline counter.
By Matthews into a cover.
Only a 2 count, and I apologize in advance if my linguistic skills are not enough to keep up with the intensity of this bout.
Oh, that's totally okay, Robert. That's why I'm here with you.
Well, thank you, John Stone. I appreciate your partnership. Dillinger and Matthews, no love lost there. Oh, look at that. Dillinger still disrespecting Matthews. And Dillinger once said, "We are destined to do this forever." And now a game of one-upmanship one more time between these two power-hungry animals. And speaking of power-hungry animals, Mad Dog just leveled them both.
This is the greatest challenge to Mad Dog's reign as New Wave Pro Champion he's faced yet.
The yard is on the line, and so is Big Leather, but the boot's being put to the head of Nate Matthews, but a chop in response by Dillinger.
Wait a minute now, Dillinger running in. Sends him up and over to the floor.
Oh, but he landed on his feet. Did you see that? Good Lord, Dillinger with all the agility in the world, but it didn't feel good. Connelly just beeled him back over the top rope and treated him just like a barrel in a storm. Unbelievable. And now stomping a mud show into Dillinger.
These three know each other so well, it's almost like they studied each other's game plan omnibus.
Absolutely. These three have traded sweat, tears, and blood in this ring for New Wave Pro Wrestling as a shoulder block into the midsection. Sunset flip. And a roll through by Connelly. Matthews gets caught again.
Remember, Nate Matthews won an opportunity to be in this matchup back in November Rain when he outlasted a six-pack challenge.
That's right, but due to that and due to the damage that match caused, he may well be working from underneath here as a beautiful corner clothesline and double stomp by Dillinger.
Did you see the disrespect by Dillinger?
Absolutely. Oh, good God, and he backed it up. What a tornado DDT, and right back on top of Matthews.
But he's got to get him out into the ring. He's got to pin him away from the ropes.
He does.
Cover.
Only a 2 count. Public enemy number 1. He is called out for a reason. Both Connelly and Matthews are down, courtesy of Eric Dillinger, and he is not stopping.
The disadvantage in a match like this, triple threat, you always have to keep somebody else in your peripheral vision. You never can tell if you're going to get the victory or somebody's going to come screw it up for you.
Absolutely, and speaking of victory, this is Nate Matthews' very first shot after years in New Wave Pro at Big Leather.
Oh my God.
But Eric Dillinger has had one opportunity already, and he is obsessed with getting this title back as he chops both champion and adversary and lays one in again. Dillinger trying to pick his spot, but he got
Double team tactics!
Unbelievable clothesline with a German assist by the Ubermensch. But that alliance didn't last long as Matthews right on top of the champion.
Only one man can go home calling themselves New Wave Pro Champion.
That's right, and because this is a 3-0, what elevation on that backdrop! Good God Almighty, the Mad Dog is punishing everyone in this match.
Somebody call Indianapolis International and get the height distance on that.
Look at the absolute power behind that gut-wrench suplex. As I said before, Nate Matthews may be fighting this from underneath after the grueling match he had to take in order to get this match in the first place.
You take a look at the opposing styles of all three men in this matchup. Of course, Mad Dog, he's more about ground and pound, violence. He'll just beat you down into submission. You take a look at Nate Matthews.
And again with the gut wrench. What an effective weapon.
Nate Matthews, the technical prowess that he utilizes in matches, but it's not getting him very far in this one.
Not so far, but never count out the evolution of execution, even in the face of Mad Dog Connelly, who just sent a vicious right hand. And another gut-wrench suplex. Good Lord.
He just tossed him away like a sack of potatoes.
He certainly did, like an anvil across the yard. And listen to the barks for the champion as Mad Dog getting his props from the New Wave Nation. All three of these men somewhat beloved, although Eric Dillinger, wait a minute! Going for the sharpshooter, and but Dillinger wouldn't allow it. Head
corner!
Beautiful V-trigger, and all three men are down. The New Wave Nation applauding in appreciation. But as you pointed out, John Stone, all three of these individuals have very unique styles, contradicting each other, and I think that whoever can control this match the longest and the best will walk away with Big Leather.
Well, that's the issue. They started this match off so hot and heavy, everybody just exploded out of the corners. They ran through the gas in their tank.
That's an absolute fact. I couldn't have put it any better myself as all three men battling to try to get to a vertical base. And there is no champion's advantage in this match. There must be a winner. Wait a minute.
All three on their knees.
And they're gonna slug it out like three gladiators just pounding away at each other, shot for shot for shot, and that drink is on me, world. Oh, what a horrendous punch by the champion, and all the way around these guys go, trying to prove their mettle. Who will stand the longest? And it looks like Dillinger may have won it.
Puts him up on that top rope.
Maybe going up for the suplex, but no, he ties him in the tree of woe.
What are we gonna see? Oh!
Mad Dog missing the mark, and he nails Matthews instead. Oh, but Dillinger on the roll up too. Oh, good Lord. That was so close.
And look at Matthews, he's fighting to get out of it in the corner.
He's got to, or else the blood is going to rush to his head, and he may pass out as the champion and public enemy number one.
Keep your eyes on Matthews.
Wait a minute. Top turnbuckle. Whisper in the wind, but not enough.
Wait a minute, going for another pin.
Dillinger tried his hand, but not enough to keep the Mad Dog down. But that was an incredible desperation twist in the wind by Nate Matthews. I know I probably called that move wrong, but you're going to have to see me later.
Nate Matthews has fought so long to get to this spot. He is inches away from putting his fingertips on the promised land, and what?
This match has taken my breath away so far. And you're, like I said, you're going to have to...
wait a second. What is Nate Matthews?
Oh, good Lord.
This is rather unorthodox for Nate Matthews. What's he doing with all these chairs? And the chain! He's got Mad Dog's chain!
Oh, my God. This match may have gone from carnage to an absolute war.
Oh, no.
Nate Matthews trying to wrap the chain around the throat of the Mad Dog. But he gets a headbutt as a receive. Oh! But the dog eats a chair. Matthews with the V-trigger to the face of Connelly.
Matthews now kicking the chairs out of the ring that he introduced.
Well, Matthews may have understood too late that those weapons weren't doing him any good, and he disintroduced them from the match, but Connelly ate the steel. Beautiful Rana by the evolution of execution. Dillinger over the top, but he gets caught. Oh! Neckbreaker beautifully executed, but missing the moonsault, nobody home.
Nice thought process there on the part of Nate Matthews, and he's got him up.
Tried for the power bomb, but Dillinger reversed. Matthews is hanging against the ropes, but back with his own chop.
Mad Dog out on his feet on the floor.
Absolutely, as now the challengers. The smile on Nate Matthews' face says that he knows what this is all about. This is a rivalry from a hell of a ways back. Missing the chop, though.
Back in.
Back in the ring.
Oh!
Beautiful Snapdragon suplex. Make that two. Turning Dillinger inside out, and another knee lift to the face. Knee strikes galore.
We've already seen one title change tonight. We've seen new tag team champions. Why not see a new world champion?
Could we get the trifecta as Nate Matthews with the sharpshooter, one of his signatures, and this is exactly the move that beat Eric Dillinger. 1 year ago tonight, he was pouring blood from his face.
He's fighting to get to the ropes, loses his balance. Mad Dog's still down on the outside.
This time he turned it over. But Nate Matthews pulls it back to the center, just like he did before. Could this be the end?
Connelly could lose the title without being pinned. Oh, he breaks it up.
Desperation by the Mad Dog as he keeps his yard for the moment. Oh, good God, what impact.
But he held on. No, he finally left it.
A lariat from hell by
no.
And now the chain reintroduced, and now he's going to make the Ubermensch pin.
He's got it wrapped around the trachea, wrapped around the throat.
Trying to choke the very life out of Nate Matthews. Look at that hangman. That is horrible.
Oh my God, look at the blood leaving his face.
His face is turning blue. But Eric Dillinger with a low blow with the chain. This has turned into an absolute war.
Exactly what I was saying earlier about a triple threat match. There's that one added factor that you cannot control.
No disqualifications, no countouts. We will see someone rule the roost here tonight. And I can't see from my vantage point, but it looks like Dillinger might have tied Mad Dog to the barricade.
He's telling the crowd to move.
Oh no! Oh, I thought he'd used that chain to tie him to the barricade, but instead he sent him over. And now we're out into the crowd.
I hope security's got their working boots on.
New Wave Pro Security has been at the top of their game all year long, but we've got 3 men out falling into the crowd now.
2 men.
Well, 2 men, yes. My mistake.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, if the action comes your way, please get out of the way.
Nate Matthews, my mistake, is still sprawled inside the ring. But Dillinger,
where are they going?
No. Oh, for the love of God, no.
Oh, no.
Not into the balcony.
The crowd's going nuts.
We've seen this before, too.
Matthews is still down in the ring.
Well, he may be the lucky one at this point as Dillinger and Connelly falling.
You hear security guards screaming, move, move, the pandemonium.
God help us. Security trying to get up there to Dillinger and Connelly. Both of these lunatics up in the balcony section, and this could spell disaster at any moment.
Oh no.
No. Oh my God.
What is Mad Dog doing?
Connelly is draped over the railing to the floor. No! Oh good God, no! Dillinger trying to hold on for dear life, trying to get Connelly back over the rail.
Oh my God!
Mad Dog Connelly just nailed the table! Table from the balcony!
Somebody better get the hospital ready. Someone's going there tonight.
Ambulance on call. It's gotta be. No.
And he just pointed at Matthews.
You crazy. No, don't do it. Eric, please, for the love of God, don't take this any farther.
He's heading back to the ring. Matthews is waiting on him.
I can't believe this. This is becoming. Oh, God! Feet trigger through the ropes. Nate Matthews is still alive in this thing. And now it's Matthews and Connelly on the floor. A power bomb onto the apron.
We're going to have to get somebody to check on Connelly. He's still down.
Connelly went from the balcony to that hard table, but now it's Nate Matthews in control. The evolution of execution going for a frog splash. If he can hit this, elbow to the heart. Is this the end? No! Not enough.
Mad Dog Connelly may lose his championship tonight without even being involved in the decision.
He may be unconscious, John Stone. A lesser man would have been going to the hospital already, but Connelly is out.
Where's Matthews going now?
I don't know. I can't tell from this vantage point, but Dillinger is down and maybe out of this. Oh, no. Oh, for God's sake. The forbidden door introduced into this New Wave Pro Championship matchup.
Oh, my gosh.
Well, I am certainly not interested in renting that. Oh! Laying in the chop by Matthews. Dillinger in serious trouble. No reversal. Matthews puts on the brakes. Death Valley Driver going to be attempted again. Oh! Matthews hoisted on his own petard.
But he rolled to the outside.
Matthews doing the only thing he could. He rolled out and hit the deck, but it may have been unintentional. as he went through back door.
Oh my God. On the ramp.
Oh God. Mad Dog Connelly.
He's moving.
He's on the ceiling. I'm surprised he's conscious.
Oh! Dillinger just hit Matthews with a chair on the outside, and now he sees the Mad Dog.
Unbelievable. Oh God.
Oh no. Oh!
Connelly got brained by that chair.
But he's still walking. He's still walking.
What horrible will is keeping him on his feet?
Oh!
My God in heaven!
They broke the guardrail!
I'm speechless. Your not so humble correspondent is humbled to the max. Dillinger with shards of that door in his hands. God knows what he's going to do
Again, ladies and
next.
gentlemen, if the action comes your way, please get out of the way.
I cannot stress enough, ladies and gentlemen, get out of the way of these three animals.
He's got that piece of door.
Matthews is in his sights. Oh, Connelly instead. I can't believe it.
Oh God, he's got Matthews on his shoulders.
Another Death Valley driver on the floor to the barricade. Or maybe no, he's dropping him back onto the apron. Maybe looking to finish him. Now we're going to see a 5-star frog splash if Dillinger can manage it. After the elbow to the heart, this is the receipt.
We could see a new champion after this one. He got it! He pinned! He got it!
I can't believe
it! Ladies and gentlemen, and New Wave Pro Champion, Nate Matthews!
Unbelievable anger by the technical wizard, and the era of the Ubermen has begun here in New Wave Pro. So what an unbelievable night of action it has been.
It has. Wait a minute. Dillinger just took the belt.
Oh no, don't say it again.
Wait. Oh my God.
Eric Dillinger just handed the belt to Nate Matthews.
Give it up one more time for your New Wave Pro Champion, Nate Matthews!
But here's my question, Robert. What's Mad Dog Connelly going to do when he realizes he lost the match and he's no longer champion?
I am not sure. I'm surprised that the man is still conscious. But you gotta give it up for the Mad Dog. He's all the punishment in the world.
4 years of amazing baby. A century of amazing. I can't ever step away. For 3 years of legacy.
Execution. Nate Matthews is your New Wave Pro Champion. What a night. What an anniversary. And this is your not so humble correspondent, Robert Black, for the amazing John Stone, and for New Wave Pro Wrestling, saying good night, Happy New Year, Happy Anniversary. We will see you February 4th.
Some want to kiss, some want to kick you.